Guys, in today's age, data is the lifeblood for decision making and innovation. And when it comes to extracting data from the cluttered realm of emails, integrating your email inbox with robust databases like MySQL can be a game changer. So guys, here I'm going to show you an automation which is going to extract important information out of your email inbox and save it to MySQL database automatically. And guys, we can set up this whole automation without any coding super simply. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, and to reach this page you can use the link from the description, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, just sign up right now, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From the dashboard, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now you can click on create button and you can see the workflow page started loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. So there can be many automated actions for a particular type of trigger. In our use case, guys, getting an email in our inbox is going to trigger this workflow, and the actions would be to filter out the information and send the data to MySQL. Okay, so here guys, to connect our inbox with trigger, select email parser option right here. In the choose app field, search for email parser and it will provide you this email address. So here you just have to copy the email address and add it as a forwarding address in your inbox. So let me show you my inbox. So guys, this is my email inbox, and here is the settings icon on the top right corner. Open settings, then click on see all settings. And here guys, you will find this forwarding and pop/imap option. Click on it. And under this page, guys, you will find this add a forwarding address button. Click on this button. Here it will ask you to enter the email address that you got here. So just copy it and paste it here in this field. Okay, then click on next button. And here you can see, guys, as we have copied the email address, it started listening for the response of this connection that you are creating. Okay, so when you click on next here, it will send you a sample email to the response section of the workflow. So just click on proceed, and in that sample email you are going to receive a verification code as well to verify your email address. Here you can see a confirmation link has been sent to this address. Okay, let's check our workflow, and here you can see we have received the response like this. This is how the emails are going to be captured here. And when you scroll down, you will find the body text label right here, in which you are going to see the whole email that you are going to receive. So here we have received this sample data, and here we have the confirmation code. So just copy this confirmation code and paste it here in under this code field right here. Then click on verify, and you can see the email address is now verified. Now just check this radio button, forward a copy of this of incoming emails to this address. Then scroll down and then click on save changes, and this address is added as a forwarding address for this inbox. Okay, now guys, to get the data of a real email, just click on recapture email response button, then click on yes button, and it will start listening for the email response again. Now I am going to manually send an email address from a different email ID to this email ID in which I have added the forwarder, and as I am going to receive the email here, it will be captured here as well. So let me open a new email address. So guys, I have written a small email here. You can see, dear user, this is a test email to test our automation. Okay, this is a small email sample I have written, and here I am sending it to two email addresses. Okay, so sometimes you can get the emails from different email addresses at once, and people can send a same email to different people at once along with you. Okay, so you want to extract the information of all the senders and the receivers. This is what basically we want. So guys, if we have multiple recipients here in your incoming email, you can come to here on this trigger section and toggle this simple response button to off. Why we are doing this? Because we are going to extract the information of the people, the recipients and the senders, and we are going to extract them one by one. That's why it is important to collect the data in advanced format by toggling this off. Okay, now you can send this email. So suppose that you are sending newsletters. Okay, so let me just type the subject as test newsletter. Okay, so let's say you are subscribed with a newsletter. I'm just taking this as an example. You can use this workflow for various other purposes as well. And here I'm clicking on send button, and you can see the email has been sent. You can see that email in your inbox, and the same email will be captured in your workflow as well. Here you can see, guys, we have received the email. It's coming from Akib Khan, and this is the subject, and this is the same email. Let's check in our workflow if we got the same email captured, and here you can see we have received the data, and here you can see it started showing these labels. In this labels, you can see it is showing to display. To display means the name of the person to whom the email has been sent, and to email address, that means the recipient's email address to which the email has been sent. Then we have from display label. This means this is going to show you the name of that person from you are receiving the email, and this is the address of the person from you are receiving the emails. This is the subject. When you scroll down, guys, you will find the body text label as well. Here you can see the whole email. Okay, now guys, I want to extract out these informations, the recipients and the senders. Here you can see we have two display labels two times. Okay, and from display label only once. Okay, now guys, here in the actions tab, I'm going to choose iterator option. So in this action window, you need to choose this iterator option. So iterator is going to segregate the people that you have in recipients, and to do that, you can see it is asking to choose an array that you can feed here in the iterator, and the iterator is going to iterate it one by one. Okay, let me show you. When you click here, guys, it will show you the previous step in the drop down like this. Okay, and when you click on this email parser step, the trigger step, it will show you these fields, these arrays that you have received in the first step. So from here, I'm going to choose this to array. Here we are going to get the details of the people who are the recipients of the email. So click on save and send test request button, and you will get the data of the first recipient. Here you can see this is the data of the first recipient. So iterator is going to work like this for the first recipient, then for the second. So it is going to give the data one by one. Okay, and send the data in the sequence one by one. Okay, so I'm going to do this for the from details as well, from where the income emails are coming. So just click here on this plus icon, and from this action window, search iterator one more time, and here now in the choose array field, select this from option, and then click on save and send test request. So it will separate out the details like this. Now it started showing the details of the person, of the people from where the emails are coming. Okay, now guys, finally I want to send this data to MySQL. So add one more action window, and here guys, you need to search for MySQL, select the action event as insert rows, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask you to enter the database username, database password, the host address, the database's name, and the port number. So guys, you will get these details from your hosting site. So this is my hosting site, SiteGround, and here you can see, guys, I'm using this database. So the name of the database is Connect database. You can just copy it and fill the name here like this. Okay, you can enter the port number. This is my port number. For the host address, you can just copy the host address from the search bar and paste it here. So guys, this is the my MySQL database, and here you can see in the top search bar, this is the hosting address. SiteGround is our host server. You can paste the link here. You can read the instructions as well. Here you need to put the username of your SQL and the password, and after filling all the data, click on save and you will be connected with MySQL account. And this connection will be saved in your Pabbly Connect account. And after saving the connection, if you want to connect with MySQL again, you can use the existing saved connections as I am doing. Just select this existing connection option and you can see your saved connections right here. From here you can choose any existing connection and then click on save once again, so you will be connected again without filling the details all over again. Okay, so you can see we are now connected, and here started asking to select the table's name where you want to insert the data. So guys, these are my tables I have created, and I want to add the data in this support emails table. Okay, so this is my table, support emails, and I'm going to select the name here, support emails. Okay, after that it will show you these fields. So guys, these fields are actually the headers of the columns I have in the table. You can see it here. The headers I have is receiver name, receiver email, sender name, sender email, and these are all here. So guys, to send the data in MySQL, you need to map the values of these headers in this workflow, and I'm going to map the labels from the previous steps from the iterators. Okay, so here you can see guys, the headers I have is this. You can see receiver name. So guys, I'm going to map the receiver name from the second iterator step, because here we have separated out the name of the receivers. So the display label show you the name. Right now we have received the name the same as email address, but it's okay. In real time, you're going to receive the names as well. So just map this display label here. Similarly, from the second step only, map the address label. For the sender details, use the third iterator step and map this display label in the sender name. And for the email, the address label. Okay. After mapping the data, you can click on save and send test request button, and the data will be sent here in this table in MySQL. Okay, so let's check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request button. Here you can see guys, started showing the status as success. So let's check in our database if we got the data. I am refreshing my table here. And here you can see guys, we got a new row added, and here started showing the email address and the name and the email address of the sender. Okay, so this is how the data is going to appear in MySQL. So our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that guys, it is going to work automatically. And guys, one more thing, I have created this email this automation for every email that you are receiving. Suppose that you are receiving emails from various various senders, and you do not want to add the data of every email that you're receiving in your SQL's database. You want to declutter or filter the emails as well. So for filtering the email, you can just click here on this plus icon just before the MySQL step, and here you can select filter option. And with the help of filter, you can apply some conditions to get this emails filtered out. Okay, so here to apply condition, it will ask you to select the label, select the filter type, and put a value here. So guys, suppose that you want to add the data of only those emails who have a specific subject line. Okay, so guys, you can select the subject label from the email parser step like this, and then filter. Then you can suppose that you want that whenever you receive a subject in which the keyword is newsletter, then only the data will be sent to the SQL database. So you can select the filter type as contains, and you can put the value here as newsletters, newsletter or letters, whatever the keyword that you want. I'm just writing newsletter, and then click on save and send test request, and it will check the condition. If the condition matches true like this, then only it will send the data to SQL. Okay, so now the automation is complete, and I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.